Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Venti from Genshin Impact. Hopefully, I remember how to make this because I did make this yesterday. Here's how to do it on Draw to Impress, removing everything except for the accessory adjustments that I've made, obviously. Trying to carefully remove everything. Okay, I guess the rest I did use accessory adjustments on. For the hair, I used the one with braids and colored it this color 59888A and 76A49E. Position the Y at 0.53 and scaled it to 0.23. Then I also used this braid in all black. No position, rotate the X to 0.53 and scaled it down to 0.14. Then I used the masculine hair, this one in black. No adjustments made, and which one? This one in black as well. No adjustments made. And I also used these bangs from the Magical Girl set. This one and toggled it to only bangs. No adjustments made and colored it black. Then for the hat, I used this hat here. And I basically colored it OC6944. No adjustments made on that one. And then I also used this flower over here in these color FOFFB9 and F1FFB9. Positioned the X at 0.54, Y at 0.57, Z 0.39, and scaled it down to 0.05. Then I also used the necklace here, this one in the second toggle, colored it white and 89C099, no adjustments made. And I did go into VIP to use the feather. Color it this color 68680C for all of it. Position the X at 0.53, Y at 0.68, Z 0.44. Rotate the Z to 0.24 and scale it down to 0.14. I also used these ears for kind of like some shoulder paddings. For the adjustments, position the Y at 0.19, and I guess I didn't really scale that. Then for the belt, I used the cowboy belt. I colored it this yellow, brown, white, brown. I colored it a lot, so I can't really show you, but for the adjustments, X 0.53, Y 0.64, and Z 0.47, rotate the X to 0.57 and the Z to 0.66. Then you're going to want to scale it down to 0.35. And now time for the outfit. We are going to use this item over here in top only, and we're going to color it white in matte, maybe light silk actually, but for the second toggle, we're going to color it this brown color 362B23. And then for this one, we're going to use this pattern here. And then I'm just going to then color the buttons this yellow. And then for part of the shoulder pad, I used this one in that same green color 0C6944. I might add light silk to it to add a little more zhuzh. Then I used these shorts in that same color as well. And then I am going to use these shoes. These are VIP shoes, unfortunately, and I'm just going to color them like a super dark brown color for all of that. And then I am going to get the cape from VIP, this one. Toggle it to only cape in this color. In the second color, sorry. Wait, did I do the first or the second? I don't remember what color I used. I'll just do this one. Even though I think I probably used the first one. And then I am going to get the harp. This one, and I'm going to again color it a super dark, maybe like a lighter brown actually, like this color. And then the second one, I'm going to try to use like a blue in neon so it actually glows like the picture, maybe like this one. And then lastly, I'm going to make this part like a little bit blue like that, maybe 57817C, and that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!